Lubok Fiesta, you know? Lubok family. Fiesta. Janice's parents.
That is the movie.
Ah, okay. Here, going there.
That is the movie. Sa palitan.
Tita Janice.
Na sofa, napalitan. Wanang chicken na.
Marita. Karinderya, no? Restaurant. No worries, sister. There's no monster. Don't be scared. And Jacob said yes. Jacob, you right?
We live in the last house in the forest.
Where?
We live in the last house. Drive this way.
Yeah. I remember. You have the okay near, right?
Mama, Anita.
Ah, no, I remember. Tugas Village. Tugas Little Village.
This. Tapos na siya sa class.
Baby, oh.
That is my
There's a baby. It's okay, I can walk. I can walk. You sure?
in the last house that we live.
Tabi-tabi po.
And there are so much dogs.
Tabi. Too much dog?
There are so much dogs.
Here?
In the third house.
Really?
The third neighbor.
The third neighbor?
We have the dog.
Oh.
The biggest house, the tallest.
Oh, really?
The
Ay.
tallest is the most dogs.
Mm.
Don't be scared. God help you. Wala God, oh.
God is everywhere.
You cannot see God.
You cannot see, but God is with us. Yes, Erica?
See in the elf.
There's a tree house, oh.
The last tree.
You're scared?
Don't be scared. This is pickleball.
Ah, they're making pickleball?
Oh,
Here?
yes.
I love pickleball.
I only play it sometimes. I always play football.
Oh, the house is almost finished.
I think that is gonna be like storage. Merman! That house. See the door, open that to the dog. Yeah, that is the dog's lock. That yellow dog is not dangerous. He's scared like a baby. Yeah, he always runs. He can jump over the fence.
This one?
Yeah, this is the house.
Your neighbor?
Oh, this is our third neighbor. This is our second.
There's your second neighbor.
Oh, and this is ours.
I know. We've been here already. You're not here when we were here before.
I've been in school.
You were in school together with Yurka.
Today.
No, last week.
That was the football
Yeah.
and the basketball.
Yeah.
And nothing new. Only I have two chickens.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
we have a pet chicken. His name.
Janice will be surprised.
Liko.
Hoy, di ka mo reply!